So hi guys, welcome back to another session where we will be discussing about the Power Platform, and today's topic is Canvas app. So first of all, Power Platform. So in Power Platform there comes the Power Apps. In Power Apps there are two different apps, which is Canvas app and Model Driven app. So first of all, we will be focusing on Canvas app. So Canvas app is nothing but it based on UI. So mainly we will be focusing on the UI because we can edit inch by inch, pixel by pixel in this app. Like for example, you can say like we have a form here. So in this form, if you want to add like your industry logo here, you can add it. If you want to add a text label here, you can add it for name, mobile number, mail, then password and a submit button. So all this you will be able to drag and drop in the Canvas app, and we will be using formula for logics, and we will be using it for logics as I said earlier. So that logic comes here in this button. Here we will be writing as select on select submit form 1. So this is a syntax. On select is nothing but the syntax like where this form will be submitted, and submit form is nothing but the name of this form. So like this is a container. Inside the container all these details are there, and the name of this whole container is called as form1. So we are giving the logic like on select on this button, which is nothing but when we click this button, this form will be submitted with the data, whatever data you have entered here. So this is what Canvas app is like. You can do whatever you want. For example, like for example like PowerPoint. For example, PowerPoint. In PowerPoint you will be able to add anything you want inside the screen. Similar way here also, like whatever you want inside your app you will be able to add, but this is mostly UI, like mostly focused on UI. Like and one more thing is there in this, like you can connect more than 30 connectors. Connectors are nothing but like as I said you before, like SharePoint, Power Automate, Dataverse, Copilot and etc. Like in total there are more than 1000 plus connectors in Power Platform, but in Canvas app you will be able to connect 30 connectors as an average. You can go more, but it still depends. Coming to Model Driven app, so it will be focused on data, and the connectors, there are no multiple connectors here. You will be only able to connect to Dataverse. This is backend. So model driven app is nothing but it will be mostly focused on the data as I said earlier, and the backend of the model driven app is Dataverse. It will be only able to connect to the Dataverse because the data like stored in the Dataverse will be able to display in the model driven app because there is no any other connector. And the difference between these two is like in Canvas app it is like easy to create, like even even if you take a 2 months of training you will be able to easily create an app. What you need to understand is just logics and how to build an app, and what you need is like critical thinking and just problem solving, analytical thinking. Coming to model driven app, it's also a major level of problems in the in company level, like industry level. For example, you can say you can create a CRM in this, Salesforce app in this, and etc. It can handle a large amount of data, and it will fetch within few seconds. It won't like buffer or do anything. Like comparing to Canvas app, Canvas app may take what to say 0.5 second or 2 seconds more than the model driven app for fetching the data or loading it to the next screen. But since in model driven app it's predefined, like each and every screen will be predefined and built by itself. But in Canvas app we will be the one who will be building the what each and every screen, from home screen, dashboard, lock screen, login screen, everything. We do have templates in Canvas app. We will be like seeing it in the upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to click on that red box underneath which will be written as subscribe, and just click on that bell icon. Thank you.